Kattamarayu happened for me actually just as I just think it was a chance because I just got a call and I was asked to work on a couple of looks, and I think there were some more people who had also done stuff, and when I went for a trial, Kalyan sir liked the clothes, and then it just took off from there because the fabrics that I had used I think was something that he really liked because they were totally hand looms. We had no synthetic or no mix. That was something that I think he liked, and it just hit it off from there. The thing that goes with him is the power star, so I think that talks about everything regarding him, and he is a very he's a person with whom you can actually work with a lot of comfort because he actually knows what he wants, and he knows how how things would look on screen, so he gives you a lot of feedback, and that is something that really helps you come up with the best output, and that's what really helped me in this movie too.
రాజులైనా పట్టులైనా సుఖా కోసం నాయన చివో చివో ఆగునా చివో చివో ఆగునా రంగో 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 రంగోల మందైరా ఓ రంబా మద్దెకి సిందేరా.
Looking at colors, we had to somewhere stick to his character in the movie also. So sticking to that, obviously you couldn't have used very bright colors, but which we have done in a couple of songs and stuff to break the monotony of the whole movie. And the fabrics that we used in these kind of dull colors was something that really complemented, and it didn't really look that dull because these were very nice textured cottons which are again totally handlooms, and all the fabrics that we've picked are from all parts of India. That is something that I think made the very sober and earthy tones also look very smart. So the handlooms that I was talking about, this is something which is very textured, and it is again a pure handloom, and it is raw, you know, once you see it, but when you do it in colors like this, the look is really different and it looks really Indian.
చీర కట్టుకొచ్చి ఓ నాయిక సిలకలాగా నవ్వుతుంటే ఓ నాయిక ఓరి దేవుడో ఓరోరి దేవుడో ఏం పిల్లది ఎంత మాట అన్నది.
We did a lot of dhotis. We actually started off with dhotis for a song which was a mass number, and he found those so comfortable that in the last few scenes that we were doing, he said, I want to wear only dhotis. These are the dhotis that I was talking about. This we did in the mass number, and then he liked it so much that we've just been doing this now. I think I feel really nice doing something like this because I have seen that there are a lot of villages in Gujarat and down south wherein there are a lot of people who do these handlooms and weaves, and they don't even have electricity post 6 in the night, so they just have those night lamps with what they do, and that's their daily life. So promoting something like this at such a large scale, I just hope that there are more people who pull this in and they have a better livelihood. So that's the major or the main reason why I wanted to do this.